Good morning guys, and in front of me is iQOO Neo 7, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select home screen, lock screen and wallpaper, and now mark wallpapers. Now just pick the one that you like the most, the one that you want to cover your screen with. You can pick one from live wallpapers, one from static wallpapers. You can use some from your own photos, or if you've got your network connection active, you can mark more wallpapers and choose some online wallpaper. I'll go with static, for example this one. Then mark apply, and now decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.